Welcome to our tutorial on how to unsend a GIF from your Instagram chat on PC. Instagram recently updated its features, making it easier than ever to manage your conversations. Today, we'll walk you through the simple process of removing that GIF you might have sent by mistake or simply want to take back. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Instagram's website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Instagram homepage, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with various icons. Find the paper airplane icon. That's your messages or direct messages section. Click on it to access your chats. Now that you're in your inbox, scroll through your conversations and find the chat containing the GIF you want to unsend. Click on the chat to open it up. Scroll through the messages until you spot the GIF in question. Here's where the magic happens. Next to the GIF, you'll notice 3 little dots. These dots are your gateway to managing that message. Hover your cursor over those dots and give them a click. A small menu will pop up with a few options. Among these options, you'll see Unsend. That's the one we're looking for. Click on Unsend, and Instagram will ask you to confirm your decision. This is just a safeguard to make sure you really want to remove the message. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm. And just like that, the GIF disappears from the chat. It's gone, not only from your view, but also from the recipient's chat. It's as if you never sent it in the first place. Pretty neat, right? Remember, this feature works for all types of messages, not just GIFs. So whether it's a text, photo, or sticker, you can always take it back if you need to. Just keep in mind that if the other person has already seen the message, they'll know you've unsent something. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to unsend a GIF from your Instagram chat on PC. Happy chatting, and remember, think before you send.